I'm going to show you how to enable and turn on MMS in your Messages app on your iPhone. So they've moved it a bit in the new update. What you want to do is open up Settings, which is this gear icon here. And then once you're under Settings, you want to scroll to the bottom to where you see Apps, go into Apps, and then you want to search for Messages there at the bottom and bring up the iMessages application settings. And then if we scroll down, you'll see something here underneath text messaging that says MMS Messaging. Make sure that that is enabled. So if it's to the left and grayed out, that means that it's turned off, but if it's green and to the right, you are good to go. Now, why is this important? If you've ever tried to send a message to a non-iPhone user and it didn't go through, MMS was probably disabled. There is something new called RCS Messaging, which needs to be enabled too. That's kind of the new technology. Go ahead and enable both of those. If you have any questions, I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.